Hi, welcome to From My Nissan. Delighted to show you this brand new Nissan X-Trail. This eagerly anticipated version has just been released, and for Europe it features the e-Power system, which is Nissan's state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain. What differentiates this from most other hybrid systems is that the engine does not run the wheels. There's a generator bolted onto that engine, and that sends electricity to the battery, and that powers an electric motor. So 100% of the time you're in EV power, but you have no plugging in, no range anxiety, or no waiting for the vehicle to charge. It feels just like you're driving a full electric vehicle. The X-Trail is very, very spacious, one of the biggest cars on the market right now. This is the SV Premium version, which has the two 12-inch screens, one behind the steering wheel, a 12.4 built into the dash. You have 4 color cameras, inbuilt sat-nav, front and rear sensors. There's a huge sunroof, a panoramic roof and a sunroof, and that opens as well. If you'd like to arrange a test drive, check out full details on our website fromynissan.ie, where you will find full photos, and we would be delighted to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much.